Wormholes are only but a hypothetical science concept that connects the mystery dots of space and time. So says the astronomers and cosmic scientists of ancient times. But come to think of it, what if these oddities are much more than just fictional dot connectors? What if they exist in real life? Where would they lead to? And how do we access them? Stay tuned to find out. Our journey to discovering and hopefully exploring wormholes began in the early 90s. This was long before the current crop of theoretical wizards even sprouted their first thought bubbles. Austrian physicist Ludwig Flamm was skimming through the solution to Albert Einstein's equation for the theory of relativity, as solved by another reputable science scholar. Little did he know that he was about to stumble upon a mind-bending revelation that would send shockwaves through the scientific community. As Ludwig delved into the equation's depths, he unearthed an unexpected treasure, a solution so elusive and tantalizing that he could hardly believe his own theoretical eyeballs. He called it the white hole, which, in his visionary mind, stood in stark contrast to the notorious black holes, and he was bang on right. But sometimes, even the greatest cosmic revelations often require a touch of refinement. Thankfully, the legendary Albert Einstein was still alive at the time and would go to review the subject together with another prominent physicist known as Nathan Rosen in 1935. Armed with the theory of general relativity and a pinch of curiosity, Einstein and Rosen refined and expanded Ludwig's whimsical revelation. And at the end of their collaboration, they redesigned Ludwig's theory to accommodate the existence of clandestine bridges to connect two different points of spacetime. Initially called Einstein-Rosen bridges, these mystery passages are what we've come to know as wormholes. Based on their findings, every black hole in our universe and beyond is paired to a white hole, and both are connected by a wormhole. As defined by scientists and astronomers alike, wormholes are bridges or space tunnels that can link two distant regions of a universe, and under the right conditions, they could even be used to facilitate trips across two completely different universes. Wormholes operate like some sort of time machine or shortcut. Imagine two cities separated by a colossal mountain. To travel from city A to city B, residents would need to navigate a treacherous journey round the mountain. But if they wanted to cut down their traveling time, they could create a shortcut by digging a tunnel through the mountain. This is the exact idea behind wormholes. Due to the enormous distance between any two distant points in space and the significant barrier of the cosmic speed limit, we're unable to access even the nearest galaxies to us. Currently, the nearest known galaxies are two irregular galaxies, known as the Large Magellanic Cloud and the Small Magellanic Cloud. According to the fact sheets, the Large Magellanic Cloud teases us from a distance of 179,000 light-years, while its smaller sibling, the Small Magellanic Cloud, tantalizes from a staggering 210,000 light-years away. And by standard calculation, 1 light-year is equivalent to 6 trillion miles or 9 trillion kilometers. If we were to travel this distance using a spacecraft that can travel 5 miles per second, we'd need a staggering 37,200 years to complete the journey. Yes, you heard that right. 37,200 years. Now imagine how many years it would take us to reach any of these galaxies that are supposedly close to us. But with a mythical tunnel like wormholes, scientists believe we might be able to significantly reduce these extravagant traveling times. In other words, a journey that would usually take hundreds of millions of years with spacecraft could be doable in a couple of minutes or even seconds with wormholes. The interesting fact about wormholes is that apart from offering a safe passage between two distant points, they could also manipulate space and time in a way that could help humans travel faster than the speed of light. Within our universe, cosmologists believe that there are certain places where space and time exist independently of one another. In this case, the impossibility of faster-than-light travel would only exist locally. So in this case, wormholes may just be able to transport cargo and humans at a speed that's faster than light, while at the same time ensuring that the speed of light is not exceeded locally at any time during the journey. As revealed in the Journal of High Energy Physics, 2020, wormholes consist of two spheroidal-shaped mouths connected by an elastic throat that can be stretched in different directions. Interestingly, the ability of wormholes to act as shortcuts through space-time also means that with some Herculean scientific efforts, they can be converted to time machines, allowing us to traverse into the past or the future. However, NASA's Eric Christian and many other astronomers disagree. According to their belief, wormholes are not time machines. Instead, They are simply shortcuts that connect us to the farthest parts of our universe, and even beyond. And in an era where scientists are keen to explore far and wide, they could prove to be extremely useful. But so far, aside from Einstein's theory of relativity, there's no evidence to prove that wormholes exist in real life. Even if there was, scientists believe that they would be too unstable to serve the purpose we intend to use them for. As we all know, the constant pull of gravity affects every single object in the universe, including our very own blue planet. So, expectedly, gravity would have some sort of effects on wormholes as well. Based on this understanding, scientists believe that after a short time of traveling through a wormhole, it could collapse under its own gravity, except there's some type of strange force pushing outward from inside the wormhole to counterbalance the force. One way to introduce negative energies, which would oppose gravity and stabilize the wormhole, making it a feasible means of facilitating time travel. This sounds like a plan, but currently, we're unable to create the right amount of negative energies to counteract gravity and stabilize wormholes. But as expected, scientists were always going to find a way around it, even if it meant tearing Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity apart. Sometime in 2017, a collaboration between two physicists, Ping Gao and Daniel Jafferis from Harvard University, and Aaron Wall of the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton led to a breakthrough in the study of wormholes. After some extensive discussions and research work, the trio discovered a way to prop open wormholes using quantum entanglement, a concept that basically represents a kind of long-distance connection between quantum entities. Ironically, the rare nature of entanglement allows it to provide the exotic elements needed to stabilize wormholes, and since entanglement itself is a standard feature of quantum physics, it is much easier to create than negative energies. Like the concept of wormholes, this idea posited by these three prominent scientists is hypothetical, and based on the information available to us. It's only effective for microscopic wormholes. However, the discovery of this new approach has opened the leeway for several new research and experiments, seeking to combine the entanglement technique with all sorts of matter and elements to design wormholes with bigger capacity. More recently, a group of scientists had set out to construct a wormhole teleportation device using IBM and Quantinuum's quantum supercomputers. However, scientists at the California Institute of Technology beat them to it after they successfully created a holographic wormhole using Google's quantum computer called Sycamore. Upon citing the signature that confirmed the passage of qubits through the wormhole, lead scientist of the experiment Maria Spirapoulou was left astonished, and you can understand why. Her team had just made possibly the biggest science discovery of the last century, one that very nearly broke the internet and could potentially define how we move from point A to point B in space. Aside from its potential to transport us through great distances at faster speeds, this quantum-generated wormhole offers concrete evidence for the holographic principle, which describes how quantum mechanics and general relativity relates. Scientists have been seeking ways to link these two disjointed pillars of fundamental physics since the 1930s, and this might just be the perfect opportunity to do it. The task at hand is certainly not an easy one, but we can be rest assured that scientists will leave no stone unturned until the mystery around wormholes is completely resolved.